tell us your name and what do you do?
Okay, I'm Perfect. Okay, I'm the CEO of Rhodium AI.
So what is Rhodium AI?
Okay, you see, in Africa today, you can see Africa is the big market of mobile money, but access to AI tools are still there on bank card. But you have access to mobile money. So Rhodium AI is a platform which can allow builders in Africa to easily have access to AI by using mobile money.
Tell us your name and what do you do?
Okay, my name is Kose, but my real name is Godfred. But most people know me by Kose. And I'm a founder of Trotro Life.
What is Trotro Life?
So Trotro Life is an easy way where we are looking to make people commute. So Trotro is a transportation in Ghana where it's mostly like informal form of transportation. But then information is not readily available, like in your Trotro fare, if you're coming to this Coco Living event, most of the time people go by Uber because they don't know that Trotro can even come to locations like this. So we have built a route intelligence where you can be able to ask that, oh, I'm going to Google Office, I'm going to church, I'm going to any locations that you want, and then it will give you how much it's going to cost, the right car to take, and other information about the route.
Can you tell us your name and what do you do?
My name is Elia Kudra Bovega, a student at KNUST. I'm a software developer, cybersecurity expert.
As a cybersecurity and web developer, what do you do? What are some of your stack?
Okay, so talking about stack, let me just tell a little bit about myself and why I chose to migrate to cybersecurity from software development. So right now, software development is really competitive with the development of AI and everything. And one key problem is the security of the apps that are being built, right? So that's why I decided to move to cybersecurity, sort of secure these apps that get built and stuff like that. And I'm also looking forward to going into AI because it's one of the major things now. And I'm sure AI security will be the thing of the future, or very soon. And with Claude coming up with Claude security, etc. and stuff like that. But yeah.
Okay, what one special project are you working on that you are excited about?
Yeah, it is Rhodium AI. It is Rhodium AI. I'm very excited about that. And you see, I'm someone I like helping people, and I also allow people to easily have access to what I have access to. So that is why it is a project I'm very, very passionate and excited about.
And what are some of your projects are you working on?
Projects I'm working on. I'm the head of the mentorship committee for computer science in KNUST. So together with my team, we built a mentorship platform that sort of helps with mentorships and makes stuff easier. The current project I'm working on is something like Luma. I don't know if you know the events page. Something like that.
Okay, why Trotro Life? Why?
Okay, so why not to? Why not to? Because about 6 million and 7 million people are commuting between this structure daily in Accra and Kumasi, and they having this form of information already available. It's a headache, and I personally face it. And I think the age that we are getting in, where AI and automations and everything is becoming more easier, why don't we build projects like this? Yeah.
Okay, so what one piece of advice when you give it to someone who want to venture into Trotro Life?
So if you want to contribute, you can just go to trotro.digital, and then you'll be able to sign up, and you can add your area data to it. So once you're adding the data, you get badges. You get to show your friends that this is the level of how I'm contributing to Ghana's history. This is the areas you are going to be adding. And we are also introducing bounties where people will be able to do tax, because we need more data to enhance this Trotro intelligence. So you do bounties, you earn airtimes and other gifts that will be putting out there. Yeah.
What one piece of advice would you give to someone who wants to get into tech?
Someone who wants to get into tech, I can say you should go deeper. You should go deeper on what you want really to do, because today we are in AI world and the things are going very, very fast. So you have to go deeper and learn more before going into this field, because you see, tech is not like what they were in 2010, but today everything is going fast. So the only advice is to go deeper.
If you're looking to come into tech, or you're in tech and you're feeling kind of overwhelmed with AI and how things are developing fast, my advice would be don't fret. It's actually, as long as you are consistent and keep working, you are going to get there. You're going to get the chance to use your skills. As long as you're consistent, you attend events, you put yourself out there, it should be simple.
Thank you so much.